Okay. Now for this, I'm just lowering my camera angle. For this, what you will do is you lie down, fold your legs as close to your body as possible, not too close that heels are lifted up, but just in a comfortably closed position. Lift your upper body so that your abs are engaged, hands out like that. Now bend on one side, try to touch the ankle, bend on the other side, touch the ankle. Pause. Pausing is important. Don't do this, okay? You need to go, pause. Go, pause. Feel that crunch on the side, okay? Yes? From the front it looks like this. You're here. Touch your ankle, corresponding ankle, pause. Then pause. The entire time your upper body stays slightly up. Okay? Let's go for it. 10 on each side. Lie down, lift your upper body. Yes. Very good, Ashish. Very nice. Good, Rashi. Good. Yes. Maika, you need to stay up. Don't go down. Stay up. So something like this. You stay up and from here, keep rotating side to side. Okay? Yes. 10 on each side, everyone. Yes. Okay. Once you are done, you relax. Alright. Let's move to the next movement. Same for the obliques, but it's a different movement. We will be doing Russian twists. Okay, and what are Russian twists? So, you're here. Bend, sit like this, bend your legs. Your upper body is tilted at 60. Okay, when you tilt it at 60 is your abs engaged. When you are here in a comfortable position, your abs are not engaged. So, tilt your upper body at 60 degrees. Lift your legs up. Be in this pose. And from here, start twisting side to side. Now, when you are twisting, you need to twist from your torso and not from your shoulders. Don't do this. Okay? You need to twist from your abdomen, side to side. If this seems difficult, you can rest your legs on the floor and twist side to side. Okay? Let's do that 10 counts on each side. Start. Yes. Tilt your body at 60. Very good, Mahika. Very nice. Good, Rashi. Good. Yes. Good, Shivang. Good. Yes. Very nice, Manish. Good, Sandeep. Yes. Yes. Ashish, fold your elbows and try to twist only from your abdomen. Fold your elbows, Ashish. Yes. Fold them like this. Observe me. Fold them like this and twist like this. Okay? Yes. Yes. Relax your shoulders. Don't tense your shoulders. Yes. Good. Okay. Let's do one more set of this. But first, relax for 20 seconds. Let's do one more set of this movement. Ready? Yes. Take your position. Upper body tilted at 60. Lower body lifted up. And swing side to side with your torso. Yes. Go as far as you are able to. Yes, very good. 10 on each side. Once you are done 10 on each side, you will get up and start walking for 20 seconds. Once you are done. I should know when you are done, you get up and start walking. Yes, good Manish, good, very nice. Okay, get up, start walking, take a walk 20 seconds. Alright. Now we are going to be up for a challenge. Okay, and what is the challenge? The challenge is that we will be raising our leg at 60 degree and at 30 degree and pausing for 20 seconds and 30 seconds. Okay, let's see what I mean. So, What you need to do is, you need to lie down. Now from here, again press your stomach so that there is no gap in your spine. Lift your legs up only till 60 degrees and hold this position for 30 seconds. Okay? Yes? Let's see how many of us are able to sustain it, and how many of us are able to do the movement right. So in these 30 seconds, suppose you are able to do it only for 10 seconds. Come down again, go up. Okay? You need to do it continuously for 30 seconds. At my count. Lie down, everyone. At the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Raise your legs up at 60. Hold. Yes, good, good, good. Rashi, slightly bring your legs down. Yes, stay there, stay. Very nice. Very good, Sandeep. Manish, excellent. Very nice, Mahika. Keep it going. Good, good, good. Ashish, come up again. Very good, Manish. Hold it there. Last 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Good. Excellent. Good. Okay. Relax yourself. Relax your spine a bit. So how are you going to relax your spine? Just fold your legs like that. Hug your legs and stay. You can even roll from side to side. Relax your spine a bit. Yes. Okay. Let's observe the next movement. This is going to be challenging. 60 degree is a comparatively easier hold. Now we come to 30 degrees hold. And how are we going to do it? So you lie down. And from here, again press your stomach, no space for the spine. Lift your legs up only at 30 degrees. And hold this position for 20 seconds. Don't lift very high, don't be very low, just till 30 degrees. Okay, let's go for it. Straight legs. Lie down, everyone, at my count. 3, 2, 1, start. Lift your legs up at 30 and hold. Rashi, slightly lift up more. Sandeep, down, slightly down. Yes, yes, stay there, stay. Keep breathing, everyone. This is going to be for 20 seconds, so 10 seconds are left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Wonderful, wonderful. Get up, take a walk. We are through with our workout. Take a walk, everyone. So whenever you get up, just make sure that you take a side and get up. So suppose you're lying down like this, ideally take a side and get up. Okay, whenever you're going to get up. Because if you get up suddenly like this, right now your body is warmed up, but it might happen that you might suffer some neck jerk or lower back jerk. Okay, so always take a side and get up. Alright. Okay, let's walk for another 20 seconds. We are going to do lying down stretches today. Okay, everyone, lie down on your mat. So just place your phone or laptop wherever you can observe me. I will be speaking out the instructions and also doing it along with you. Okay, so lie down on your mat. Now from here, lift one leg up. Hug it, bring it closer to your chest, squeeze it as much as possible. Now lift your lower body up and touch your nose to your knees. The other leg is straight on the floor. One leg is folded, other leg is straight. Okay, relax. Change. Lift the other leg up, fold it, hug it, bring it closer to your chest. Now lift your upper body and touch your nose to your knees. Stay there. Relax. Okay. Now fold both the legs. Hold them. Hug them. Bring them closer to your chest. Now lift your upper body and try touching your nose to your knees. Stay there. Okay, let's rock and roll. Come up, go down. Come up, go down. Yes, one last time. Come up, and go down. Relax. Relax your legs. Okay. Now fold your legs like this. I'm going to change my view and show. Fold one leg on top of the other. Okay? Yes. Now from here, take your hands underneath one leg that is down. Hold your leg like this. Yes. Yes, Ashish, take it underneath. Yes, lift your lower body, upper body. Okay. Now keep lifting your lower body as well and hug your leg. Yes. Lift your lower body, Ashish. Lift your lower body. Pick up your legs. Yes. So this leg is up in the air. Yes. Yes. Good. Okay. Relax. Let's change. Now hold this leg on top of the other. Bring your hands from underneath. Hold the leg and keep pressing it closer to your body. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Now flip around. Sit in a supine position. Sit on your lie down on your stomach. Observe what are we going to do and do it with me. So lie down on your stomach like this. Okay. Upper body is neutral. Your chin is on your palms. Fold one leg and touch your heels against your butts. Stay there. Relax. Fold the other leg. Touch your heels against your butts. Relax. Now, place your hands besides your chest. Lift your upper body, not in a full cobra, just half cobra. Your elbows are folded. Your stomach is touching the floor. Just the upper body lifted. Okay, relax. Now lift your upper body in a full cobra. Your stomach might come off depending on your flexibility. Look up. Look up. Yes. Keep breathing. Okay. Now from here, sit back in the child pose. Sit back in the child pose. Okay. Now sit down in folded legs. Alright. Now fold one hand across your knee, across the opposite knee. The other hand goes behind and rotate your body. So with the help of the other hand, watch it. I am placing my hand on the floor and rotating. Okay, change. Hold this arm, place the other hand on the floor and rotate your body. Okay, relax. Now from here, widen your legs, both the legs, as much as possible. Hands stretched out and go down, touch your toes if you can. If you can't, just be there. Make sure your knees are straight. The pulse 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Now from here, fold one leg remains straight. Now take the same hand, touch the toe or whatever part of the foot you are able to reach. Twist your torso out. Torso twisting, yes. And lift your hand up and bend on the side. Yes, good. Okay, come back. Now straighten this leg, wide and straight. Fold this leg. Now stretch your hand. Same hand, go down, touch the same side of leg. Twist your torso, lift up your hand and stretch on this side. Bend yourself as much as possible. Okay, relax. Relax. Straighten your legs now. Okay, now stretch yourself up and go down. Try touching your toes if possible, but keep your knees straight. Let's pulse 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come up and relax. Okay. Now again, be on all fours. We are going to relax our spine a bit. All fours is you are down on your knees and your hands are right beneath your shoulders. Okay. Now what we are going to do, we inhale and make that curve in our spine. Look up, hips out. And we exhale, we curl our spine, look down, stomach tucked in. Okay? Let's do that 3 times. Inhale, look up, curve your spine, hips out. Exhale, hunch your back, look down, hips tucked in. Inhale, look up, curve your spine. Exhale, curl your back, look down. Inhale, exhale and sit in the child pose again. Okay, now sit on your heels. Sit on your heels, everyone. Okay, now let's stretch our neck. Pull your neck on one side. Pull it, yes. Okay, pull your neck on the other side. Give it a very gentle pull. Okay, relax. Now fold your arms, pull your elbows and look towards the opposite side. Change, fold your arms, pull, look towards the opposite side. Okay, now one last stretch. What you are going to do is hands behind and pull your arms up. So the range of motion is restricted because it is against the natural range of motion of arms. Make sure your upper body is stable, chest out. Relax. Okay, now lift yourself up, get up. Lift yourself up and walk on your toes. Lift yourself up, walk on your toes. Elongate your spine. Lift up. Okay, now both the feet down. Bend on one side while you are stretching your upper body. Come back, bend on the other side. Come back and relax. Jog on the spot, just loosen up, shake your body, shake your arms, your legs, and we are done for the day. Well done everyone. We tried some advanced movements today and I could see your enthusiasm. You were enjoying yourself. Likewise, in the next session, we will be targeting something else. So today it was targeting the flab. We did some toning exercises. In the next session as well, do let us know in case you want to you have a fitness goal and you want us to target something. So like we also did kickboxing in the previous session. We can do Pilates also if you wish to, or do ping us, do let us know, do Mahika, tell this to Mahika if you want to include anything, or you can email to us as well. Mahika, you must have shared our email ID with them, yes?
Yes, I've shared the contact details as well.
Sure.